Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. In today's video we're making Mexican street corn. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need corn, Cojita cheese, chili powder, chili and lime, unsalted butter, mayonnaise, and cilantro. Boil the corn for 10 minutes or until tender. Next, brush the corn with melted butter. Place the skewer in the corn. Next, brush the corn with a generous amount of mayonnaise. Coat the corn with Cojita cheese. Season the corn with chili and lime and chili powder. And there you have it, Mexican street corn. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.